You are welcome again to this segment of the tutorial. Now that your animation is completed, I want to show you how to render this payment processing in Adobe After Effects. So this may depend on your preferences. You might want to render this with the white background, or the best practice is you render this transparent. So to do that, I'm going to quickly show you how to do it. You come to the background here and make sure it is hidden. So now that you have everything transparent, you go to composition and then add to render queue. Go to this best settings here. You make sure you set it to best, and then go to high quality setting, or in your own case it might be lossless. Then make sure you select the QuickTime right here. If you don't have this QuickTime on your PC, you need to install it. Then you come right here, make sure you check the format, then select animation for the codec, hit OK. Then you come to these channels and then select RGB plus alpha, then you hit OK. Make sure you rename your file and choose a directory where you remember to go there and pick it, because we'll need that to make this a GIF later. So hit save, then you hit the render button to render this out. So now click on the next video right here. That will show you how to use Photoshop to convert your animation into animated GIF that you can use for websites.